Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello Primary 5. I am Miss Marwa Morsi. Our lesson today about operations on natural number. What is the meaning of operation? Like plus, minus, multiply, divide. If we want to multiply the natural numbers, add two natural number, subtract, like this. Okay? First, addition. What is the properties of the addition in natural number? We have some properties of addition in natural number. First property is called closure property. What is the meaning of closure property? If we have two natural number and if we want to find the sum of two natural number, then the result is natural number. Like if we want to add 1 plus 2, 1 is natural and 2 is natural. Then the result will be a 3. Then the result is a natural. Then if the first number is natural and the second number is natural, then the sum of two natural number give me a natural number. Okay? Then A plus B equals C, where C belongs to N. The second property is called commutative property. What is the meaning of commutative property? Commutative property means if we have two numbers like 2 and 7 and we want to find the addition of two numbers, the result will be 8. If we want to make addition for 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2 equals 8 also. Okay? Then 2 plus 6 equals 6 plus 2 because the result of the 2 plus 6 equal 8. The result of 6 plus 2 equal 8. يبقى then they are the same. يبقى then 2 plus 6 equals 6 plus 2 equals 8. Okay? This property is called commutative property. It's called commutative property. Okay? The third property is called associative property. Associative property. Okay? What is the meaning of associative property? If we have three numbers like 2 plus 3 plus 4 and we want to find the addition of three numbers. What is the result of addition three numbers? 2 plus 3 equal 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Okay? We have another method to solve this problem. We will take 2 and 3 and make addition. Then the result of 2 and 3 added to 4. 2 plus 3 equal 5. 5 plus 4 equal 9. We have another method. We can take 3 plus 4. We put 2 and we will take 3 and 4 and make addition. Then we put 2 plus and get the result of 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 2 plus 7 equals 9. Then the two problems give me the same result. Okay? This is called associative. It's called associative. يبقى we can take the first number with the second number. Okay? To make addition. Or we will take the second number with third number and make addition. خلاص? These two methods give me the same result. Okay? This is called associative. Okay? The fourth property is called additive neutral elements. Additive neutral element. What's the meaning of neutral elements? If we have a number like 5 and if we add 5 to 0. The result will be 5. طب 6 plus 0 equals 6. 7 plus 0. The result will be 7. We look at the problems and observe what happened. If we add 0 to any number, the result will be the same number. If we add 0 to any number, the result will be the same number. 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 0, 6. 7 plus 0, 7. 8 plus 0, 8. Or 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 6, 6. 0 plus 7, 7. Okay? Then A, any number is called A. Plus 0 equals 0. Plus A equals the same number, which is A. Okay? Okay. If we have an example, write the name of the property. We have a problem and I want to find the name of the property. What's the name of this property? The first example, 213 plus 57 equals 57 plus 213. The same two numbers, 213 plus 57. And we change 57 plus 213 is called commutative. We can write it COMM dot. Okay? We can abbreviate it to COMM. The second example, 28 plus open bracket and we put 72 plus 59 equals open bracket and we put 28 plus 72 close the bracket plus 59. We can take, to make addition, we can take the second with third and or first with second. It's called associative. S-O-A-S-S-O. Okay? And the result will be 100 plus 59 equals 159. The third example, 0 plus 6,543 equals 6,543. 0. We look at 0. 0 is called additive neutral property. We can write it as A. Okay? Then we have 5 properties. Okay? Or 4 properties. The first property is called closure property. Closure property, if we have two numbers and we want to two natural numbers, if we want to make addition for two numbers, the result will be natural number. The second property is called commutative. Commutative, change. Commutative means it's change. C, change. Okay? A plus B equals B plus A. 2 plus 3 equals 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3 equals, 2 plus 3 equals 3 plus 2. Okay? Associative. Asso means we will take the first plus second or second plus third. Okay? Give me the same result. Additive neutral element. What is the additive neutral element in natural number? Is a 0. In exam, he says, what is the additive neutral element? Is 0. 0 additive neutral element. Okay? Second, multiplication. Look at multiplication. We have 5 or 6 property in multiplication. The first property is called closure property. The like that in addition. the product of two natural number give me natural number. 2 plus 3 equals 6. 2 is natural, 3 is natural, and the result will be natural number. Okay? 3 belongs to natural, 2 belongs to natural, then 6 belongs to natural. The second property is called commutative property. What's the meaning of commutative property? Change. A times B equals B times A. 3 plus 4 equals 4 plus 3 equals 12. The third property is called associative property. Associative, we can take first with second or second with third. A times B between brackets times 2 or times 5 equals A times B times C. This C. A times B between brackets times C equals A times open brackets B times C equals A times B times C. Okay? Multiplicative identity neutral or multiplicative identity or multiplicative neutral. What is the additive neutral element is 0, but multiplicative neutral element is 1 because if we multiply 5 times 1 equals 5, 6 times 1 equals 6, 7 times 1 equals 7. If we multiply any number times 1, give me the same result. This is the meaning of neutral element. If we multiply any number by it, give me the same number. In additive, any number plus 0 equals the same number. In multiplication, any number multiply 1 equals the same number. Okay? Multiplying by 0. Multiplying by 0. If we multiply any number by 0, give me 0. 7 times 0 equals 0. 0 by 7 equals 0. Okay, any number multiply 0 equals 0. Distribution property. What's the meaning of distribution property? If we have two operations like multiply and addition, we can distribute the multiply to addition to get the result. Okay? If we have A times B plus C between brackets, we can distribute A times B plus A times C. Okay? If we have example 3 times between brackets 5 plus 2, we will distribute 3 on 5 and 2. Then the result will be 3 times 5 plus 3 times 2. Okay? Complete. 5 times between brackets 23 plus 78. We will distribute this. We have two operations. This A is called distribution property. Okay? We will distribute 5 on addition and find the result. 5 by 23 plus 5 times 78. This is called distributive property. We can write the name of property beside the problem. 4 times 67 times 25. We have 3 numbers and we want to multiply them. We will multiply, we look at the numbers and we will take the friends. Where is the friends here? 4 and 25. Friends number. 2 by 5 is equal 10. 4 by 25 equals 100. 8 times 125 equals 1000. Okay? We will change the 67 and 25 to get 4 besides 25. This property is called change commutative. Okay? and we put them between brackets. It's called associative. Okay, we put 4 and 25 between brackets to multiply them. Okay, 4 by 25 equals 100, and we put 67 as it is. We will get the result 100 by 67 equals 6,700. Okay, the third operation is division. We have closure in division. Yes, if we have 6 divided 2, the result will be 3. 6 is natural, 2 is natural, and the result will be natural. Here we have a closure. Here 6 divided 5. It can be no. The result will be decimal. This A not belongs to natural. But division is sometimes not possible in a natural. 0 divided 5. 0 belongs to, the result will be 0, and 0 A belongs to natural. But 5 divided, if we change 5 divided 0 is meaningless. We can't divide 5 by 0. Example, use the property of multiplication to find. We have 3 numbers, 4, 37, 25. We will change 37 and 25, the place of 37 and 25, and to get 4 beside 25. Okay, this is called commutative property. But we will take first with second and get multiplied. 4 by 25 between brackets times 3 times 37. Okay, this is called associative. Get the result. 4 by 25 equals 100. 100 by 37 equals 3,700. In this example, 35 by 101. What can I do? We will get 101 to be 100 plus 1 and make distribution. Okay? يبقى 37 by open brackets and write 100 plus 1 is called associative. Okay? And distribute 37 on 101. The result will be 37 by 100 plus 35 by 100 plus 35 plus 1. And this is called distributive property. And you get the result. 35 by 100 equals 3,500. 35 by 1 equals 35 plus 1 by 1 equals 35, and the result will be 3,535. And this result belongs to natural. This is called closure property. 27 by 99. 27 by 99. We will replace 99 by 100 minus 1 to distribute in multiplication on subtraction. If we put 100 minus 1 between brackets, it's called associative property. And make distribution. Then the result 27 by 100 minus 27 by 1. This is called distributive property. Okay? And find the result. 27 by 100 equal to 2,700. 27 by 1 equals 27. And the result will be 2,673 belongs to natural. It's called the closure property. The last one, number D, 35 by 64 plus 35 by 36. We look at the first part and second part, and between them plus we find we have 35 here and 35 here. We can take the 35 outside and open brackets, then put 64 plus 36. Okay? This is called associative property. This is called associative property. Then find the result. 35 times 64 plus 36 equals 100. Then multiply, the result will be 3500, and this property is called closure property. Let's solve this exercise. Complete. The additive neutral element in natural is 0. What's the number which can't change the number is 0, but the multiplicative neutral element in natural is 1. (93) plus 87 minus 87 plus 93. We will solve this operation and solve this operation and make minus 93. 93 plus 87 equals 180. Sorry, minus 87 plus 93 equals 180. 180 minus 180 equals 0. Number 3, 37 plus 25 plus 63 equals, we will change the places of numbers to get more easier, which can give me 10, 100, 1,000. 37 plus what? We look at units. Units here 7. 7 plus what? Give me number. It's units 0. We look at 63. We will take 37 plus 63 plus 25. This is called commutative property. Then get the result. Okay, we will take 37 plus 63. Okay, this is called associative property. Then find the result. 37 plus 63 equals 100. And we put 25 as it is. Then 100 plus 25 equals 125. This is called 125 belongs to natural. This is called the closure property. Another example, 8 times 37 times 125. We have 3 numbers and we want to find the multiplication. We will take 8 and 125 because they are friends. We will put 8 times 125, and this is called commutative property. 8 times 125 between brackets times 37 is called associative, and the result will be 8 times 125 equals 1000 times 37 equals 37,000, and 37,000 belongs to natural. This is called closure property. The last example in this page, 35 times 72 plus 35 times 28. We look at the two parties. We observe that we have 35 and this is 35, and we will take it outside and we put the other numbers between brackets. 72 plus 28. Okay, equals 1 associative probability, and we will make addition. 72 plus 28 equals 100. 35 by 100 equals 3,500, and this belongs to N and called closure. Closure property. Okay. Turn the page. Use addition and multiplication operation to find 36, number A, 36 plus 72 plus 64 plus 28. We have 4 numbers and we want to make addition. We will look at the units to give me 0, 10, 100 or 1000. We look at the first number, the units here 6. What is the number in units? In other numbers, give me number, its units 0. We look at 64. We will put 36 beside 64. Make a change. And 72 plus 28 is called commutative. Okay? And we will take 36 plus 64 between brackets plus 72 plus 28 between brackets called associative. Make addition to this number. We will find it 36 plus 64 equals 100, and 72 plus 28 equals 100. Then the result will be 100 plus 100 equals 200 and belongs to N. This is called the closure property. The second example, number B, 4 by 32 by 25. In multiply, we look at the friends. 4 with 25 give me 100. We put 4 beside 25. Okay, this is called commutative property. And we put 4 by 25 between brackets times 32 is called associative, and make the result. We will make multiplication. 4 by 25 equals 100, and we put 32 as it is. The result will be 3,200 belongs to N. This is called closure property. The third example, 36 times 72 plus 36 times 28. We find that we have 236. We cancel 36 with 36 and write it outside. And open brackets. And we put 72 plus 28. Okay? This is called associative. We will make addition. 72 plus 28 equals 100. 36 times 100 equals 3,600 belongs to N and is called closure. Number D, 35 times 101 equals, we have 2 numbers. What can I do? We look at 101 and make or convert it to a addition equals 35 by 100. We will get 101 to be 100 plus 1. This is called associative. And make distribution 300 on 100 and 35 on 100 and 35 on 1. The result will be 35 by 100 plus 35 by 1. This is called distribute. We'll get the result 35 by 100 equals 3500 plus 35. The result will be 3,535 belongs to natural. This is called closure property. (46 times 99). We will change 99 to be 100 minus 1. And we will write 46 times 100 minus 1. Okay? And this is called associative property. Then distribute 46 on 100 and 46 1. يبقى 46 times 100 minus 46. Okay, this is called distribute. 46 by 100 equal 4,600 minus 46. Okay, then the result will be 0 minus 6, it can't be, 0 will be 10, 10 minus 6, 4, 0 will be 9, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 4, 5, and 6 will be 5, and drop L4. Belongs to natural, and this is called closure. Okay. Another example, 8 times 49 times 125. We will change the places of 8 and 125 to be beside each other. 8 by 125 times 49, this is called commutative. And we will take 8 by 125 between brackets times 49. This is called associative. Get the result of multiplying 8 by 125. The result will be 1000 by 49. The result will be 49,000 belongs to N. Then this property is called the closure property because the result belongs to nature. The last question. Use belongs or doesn't belong. 0 over 7. What's the relation between 0 over 7 and natural? 0 over 7. Let's get the result of dividing 0 by 7. The result will be the result will be 0. The result will be 0. What is the relation between 0 and natural? 0 is natural? Yes. يبقى 0 belongs to natural. Number B, 3 over 2 minus 2. The result will be 3 over 0. We can divide 3 by 0. No, it's meaningless or meaningless. خلاص؟ يبقى this doesn't belong. 8 minus 8 and natural. 8 minus 8 equals 0. What is the relation between 0 and natural? 0 belongs to natural. طب number G, 7 by 2 minus 7 by 5. We can solve it by properties of distribution. We will get 7 outside and we put 2 minus 5. 7 by 2 minus 5, it's a negative number. It can't be. Okay? We'll get negative 3. It can be, we have negative number in natural? No, the result doesn't belong. 7 minus 3 minus 3 by 7. The same numbers. 7 by 3 with 3 by 7. The result will be 0. 21. 21 minus 21 equals 0. 0 belongs to natural. 0 by 9. 0 by 9 equals 0. In number multiply 0 equals 0. 0, what's the relation between 0 and natural? 0 belongs to natural. Okay? Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening and goodbye.